As technology undergoes constant evolution, the landscape of news consumption and production is also swiftly transforming. The emergence of artificial intelligence has ushered in a new era in journalism, where machines are capable of generating articles, reports, and even video content. Yet, what does this signify for the future of journalism? How do we navigate the implications of AI in journalism, balancing efficiency with ethical considerations? And the looming question persists: will AI eventually supersede human journalists, or is its role confined to augmenting their work? Welcome back to World AI News, where today we delve into the present state of AI in journalism and explore the potential trajectory of this dynamic and ever-evolving industry. Few individuals have had the opportunity to witness firsthand the inner workings of a newsroom, observing how information is identified, crafted, and swiftly transformed from a breaking news snippet into a fully developed piece, traversing through various desks for writing, editing, formatting, and even publication within a matter of minutes. The trajectory of a single piece of news doesn't stop there. It can further evolve into an article, undergo in-depth analysis, lead to a comprehensive investigation, or in certain instances, become an opinion piece. It's conceivable to view the information produced by a newsroom as existing on a spectrum stretching the pure factual content to entirely narrative-driven stories, with numerous nuances in between. Pure facts may encapsulate straightforward information such as the weather forecast for London tomorrow or a sports result. On the other end of the spectrum, pure stories emerge in the form of political op-eds where biases are not only significant but also expected. The movement of newsroom content across this spectrum creates a dynamic and valuable blend, adapting to the inherent nature of the subject at hand. The media industry has undergone significant changes since the early 2000s, particularly with the irreversible shift of the fact-based side of the spectrum to search engines and mobile operating systems. Checking sports results, tomorrow's weather, or stock prices can now be done effortlessly without leaving your current location. Conversely, the story-based side of the spectrum remains predominantly within the realm of media brands, where factors like authorship, perspective, and originality continue to hold substantial value for the audience. However, these two extremes present only a fraction of the content that newsrooms can generate. The majority of the news resides in the space between pure facts and opinions, where value is determined by a blend of hard factors, such as accuracy, credibility, and publishing speed, and soft factors such as authorship and brand voice. Herein lies the battleground of the ongoing conflict between newsrooms and competitive AI. The future trajectory of newsrooms involves their capacity to fully embrace AI, while attention tends to gravitate towards the visible aspects of the media landscape. The true potency of AI for media brands largely resides in the newsrooms, on the back-end side of the user experience. Generative AI is poised to provide a competitive edge for journalists, editorial teams, and content production teams that are eagerly incorporating it into their workflows. Within the newsroom, three key streams of work are on the brink of a revolutionary transformation facilitated by AI. Editorial teams will harness AI to pinpoint emerging trends and interests among their audiences. By training large language models with existing content and data from various sources, newsrooms can employ AI to bolster their editorial research. This includes uncovering new facets to existing stories, identifying controversial angles, and introducing innovative forms of storytelling. Gen AI is set to become a constant and potent tool in the hands of journalists and editors, akin to how designers, architects, and developers utilize technology to expand their creative horizons. In the realm of content production, generative AI is set to emerge as a powerhouse for newsrooms, facilitating the swift creation of diverse formats. This includes the generation of concise forms, explainer content, as well as the production of imagery, videos, and podcasts. Gen AI's impact will extend to data journalism, a field currently resource-intensive, enabling the conversion of text-based stories into visually engaging experiences with significantly fewer resources than the current demands. Moreover, in terms of distribution strategy, the automated formats produced by generative AI offer unparalleled adaptability to cater to diverse audience needs. Variables such as style, tone, and length can be easily modified to align with specific preferences. Whether aiming for a more liberal or conservative approach, adopting an expert tone, or simplifying language for broader understanding, or tailoring content for different platforms such as social media, video platforms, or white papers, the possibility for accelerating content distribution becomes nearly limitless. Yet, what repercussions does AI yield on the accuracy and credibility of news? A primary concern surrounding AI-generated content revolves around the potential impact on the accuracy and trustworthiness of news reporting. While AI holds the promise of expediting the news' gathering process, it concurrently introduces novel challenges and risks. Notably, the precision of AI algorithms hinges on the quality of the data they're trained on. If this foundational data carries biases or lacks reliability, it inevitably compromises the integrity of the resulting content. Furthermore, AI-generated content bears the risk of inadvertently propagating misinformation. Unlike human journalists, AI lacks the inherent ability to critically assess sources or verify information. This limitation opens the door to the dissemination of false or misleading content, posing a tangible threat to public trust in the media. Preserving the accuracy and credibility of news demands that news organizations deploy AI responsibly, in concert with human journalists who provide indispensable oversight. Human journalists contribute critical elements of evaluation and verification that AI algorithms inherently lack, ensuring the precision and reliability of the reported news. Additionally, transparency about the role of AI in the reporting process becomes imperative. News organizations must openly communicate how AI is integrated, empowering their audience to make informed decisions regarding the credibility of the content they consume. Now, looking ahead, what will be the function of human journalists in the era of AI? In this age, the role of human journalists is undergoing transformation, yet it is far from diminishing. While AI holds the potential to automate numerous tasks previously handled by human journalists, it still lacks the human touch and creativity indispensable for excellent journalism. Human journalists contribute to distinctive perspective, empathy, and intuition in their work, elements that AI algorithms cannot emulate. Furthermore, human journalists remain essential for tasks such as verifying the accuracy of AI-generated content, providing context and background information, and making ethical decisions about what should or should not be reported. They play a pivotal role in shaping public discourse by selecting the stories that hold the utmost importance and relevance for their audience. Within newsrooms, human journalists are increasingly collaborating with AI algorithms, leveraging their expertise and experience to guide the technology and produce content that is both accurate and captivating. This partnership between humans and machines holds the potential to significantly enhance the quality and efficiency of journalism while preserving the indispensable human touch within this dynamic industry. Now, delving into the crux of the matter, what ethical considerations should surround the integration of AI in journalism? As AI assumes an increasingly prominent role in journalism, it becomes imperative to contemplate the ethical ramifications of this technology. While AI holds the potential to significantly enhance the efficiency and accuracy of news gathering and reporting, it concurrently introduces novel challenges and risks. A primary ethical concern pertaining to AI and journalism revolves around accountability. In instances where AI algorithm generates content that proves to be inaccurate, biased, or misleading, the question arises, who bears the responsibility for rectifying it? Should it be the news organization that produced the content, the AI developer, or the algorithm itself? These questions underscore the crucial necessity for well-defined and transparent guidelines and regulations governing the use of AI in journalism. Another ethical aspect to consider is the potential for AI to perpetuate biases and spread misinformation. The objectivity of AI algorithms is contingent on the neutrality of the data they are trained on, and if this data carries biases, the resulting content will inevitably be flawed. This underscores the critical significance of employing diverse and representative data sets during the training of AI algorithms, accompanied by an ongoing commitment to monitoring and correcting for biases. Furthermore, it's essential to weigh the impact of AI on the job market and the future of journalism as a profession. While AI has the capability to automate numerous tasks once carried out by human journalists, it's imperative to ensure that the advantages of this technology are equitably distributed and that the rights and livelihoods of human journalists are safeguarded. In essence, AI holds the potential to reshape the landscape of journalism production and consumption, empowering journalists to generate more content in less time and offering the public novel and innovative avenues to access news and information. However, the escalating integration of AI in journalism raises vital questions about the role of human journalists. the accuracy and trustworthiness of news, and the ethical considerations surrounding the utilization of AI for information production and dissemination. To ensure a promising future for journalism in a world dominated by AI, it's imperative that we not only embrace this technology, but also confront the significant ethical challenges it poses. Through such proactive engagement, journalism can play a pivotal role in fostering a society that is better informed and more actively engaged. And that concludes our video for today. We're genuinely interested in hearing your thoughts on the influence of AI in journalism, so please share your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to express your support by clicking that like button, subscribing for a consistent flow of captivating content, and hitting the notification bell to ensure you stay up to date with our latest updates. Thank you for tuning in.